Hello everyone! So kapag napanood niyo po itong reading na ito bago mag-August 1st, no? Lalo na dun po sa mga in separations, no? Ito po ang reading ninyo, no? Mapapanood po ang full video sa Facebook, no? Ipopost po natin ito sa Facebook. Exchanging gifts, chaos and conflict, and poised. Ayan, ang nakikita ko dito, parang nahihiya lang 'no, si person mag-reach out. Ay parang sinasabi dito ni person is, "Nahihiya ako kasi alam kong ako gumawa ng gulo. Ako yung sumira 'no, ng relasyon. Um, Gusto ko mang mag-reach out, parang wala pa akong mukhang maihaharap. Alam ko madami kong nagawang kasalanan, nasaktan kita ng sobra, na-betray ko ang iyong trust. Pero ganun pa man, gusto kong humingi ng tawad, gusto kitang kausapin, pero hindi ko alam kung ire-reject mo siya, 'no? So yun yung sinasabi, nahihirapan siya at nasasaktan din naman. Siguro late na itong, emotion na nararamdaman niya, late na itong reaction 'no, ng kanyang, sinasabi nating outcome of what they are feeling right now. Kasi during while ginagawa niya itong, betrayal of trust 'no, siyempre 'no, wala pa sa isip niya yung makakasakit, nandun pa yung pagka-selfish 'no. Pero as of the moment, so parang things are sinking in. With the Eight of Cups and the World card. So parang nasabi niya dito, ibang-iba yung feeling, ibang-iba yung pakiramdam kapag iba pala yung feeling kapag hindi ka na niya kasama. With the Eight of Cups, so parang kahit magkalayo kayo, yung emotion niya na yung emotion niya na ngayon ko na value itong relationship namin, ngayon ko nakikita yung importance ni person sa akin, 'no. Um, Meron siyang gustong mangyari, meron siyang gustong hingin, the Empress and the Magician. So I feel like lalo na kung kayo po ay nagbabalak 'no, or ginawa niyo na either magpagupit ng buhok 'no, there's something in you that changed from the simple things of puwedeng nagpamani-pedi 'no, nagpagupit, nagpakulay ng buhok, or are you trimming down or gaining weight, it doesn't matter. The changes in you, parang natutuwa naman siya kasi, um, what is happening is you're giving time for yourself 'no. Actually mas na-appreciate niya yung nagiging itsura 'no, mo ngayon. These gradual changes that you're doing, um parang he is approving it even though hindi mo naman din kailangan. With the Five of Wands, the Six of Pentacles, um, so alam niya pa na kapag nag-reach out siya, 'no, alam niya na kapag nag-reach out siya, chances are puwedeng ligaligin mo, 'no, awayin mo rin siya. Well, tanggap naman niya dahil nga alam niya na siya itong nakagawa ng kasalanan. Alam niyang meron ka pang pain, 'no? Page of Wands and the Page of Swords, actually, gusto niyang malaman kung you're ready to move forward. Gusto niyang malaman if you wanted to fix the issues. They're also checking if kung meron ng pumoporma sa inyo, or meron kayong apple of the eye, 'no, para sa mga lalaki kung may pinopormahan na kayo. They're actually checking if or keeping tabs on you, 'no. Kung wala namang social media, baka nagtatanong-tanong ito sa mga mutual friends, 'no. Um, with the Five of Cups, the Page of Pentacles and the Wheel of Fortune. Actually, nanghihinayang siya sa mga na-achieve mo ngayon, mga ginagawa mo ngayon. Your person wants to be part of it. Your person wants to be there, no? And share this experience with you. I feel like meron ditong sinasabi na sana sana hindi ako umalis, no? Sana hindi pala ako gumawa ng kalokohan. With a Page of Pentacles in here, willing akong ayusin itong mga bagay na nasira ko. Willing akong ayusin ang relasyon naming dalawa. Pero sa ngayon, alam pa nitong taong ito na medyo may galit, no? Ten of Pentacles and the Two of Pentacles clarified by the Two of Swords and the Hermit. Wini-wish lang nitong taong to na bigyan mo siya ng second chance or bigyan mo pa siya ng last chance. It doesn't matter kung how many chances this person actually asks from you. Pero nakikita ko yung um, tinatawag ditong enlightenment with the Hermit card na hindi niya nagagawin. Ang mga bagay na ikinainis mo, kinagalit mo with the Two of Pentacles in here, medyo ikaw naman, medyo nagda-doubt ka na, no? Nasira na talaga yung trust. Pero ang sabi niya dito, I've learned my lesson. If you can give me another chance, I'll be willing to fix everything. Give you, your abundance, give you what you asked for in the connection. There's also a promise here of treating you better. There's also a promise here of committing, no? Committing into the connection. So this is the emotion of your person, my beloved, and I don't wanna wait any longer. Please be mine. Or please be mine again. So what I am seeing in here is ganun talaga yung sincerity nitong sabihin nating ex, no? They are hoping that they can enter your life once again and continue, the relationship that once you had. Sincere, the Hermit is here. Exchanging of gifts is also your first oracle card. So which means that this is a promise of we will going to have a give and take relationship in the future. So this is your message from your ex, no? Lalo na kapag nakita nyo ito before August the 1st of 2024. So, thank you so much. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.